Luck buyers! Welcome to Nongnoch Pattaya Tropical Garden. Diba? The place is massive, beautifully designed, and truly impressive. To fully explore and enjoy everything it offers, you'd need at least 2 days. It is well-maintained gardens were a pleasure to walk through. There are also plenty of great photo spots featuring dinosaurs and other animals, making it a fantastic experience. And despite the hot weather, I had an amazing time wandering in this place, in this botanical garden in Pattaya. Nongnoch Pattaya Tropical Garden is a stunning, well-maintained botanical park in Pattaya. Perfect for families and nature lovers like me. Alam nyo ba guys, yung mga replicas of dinosaur dito guys, more than 100 life size. From well-known species, tulad na Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tingin ko talaga nung pumunta ko dito, na-experience ko yung how it feels to stepping into a real-life Jurassic Park. Perfect talaga to guys for photos and fun. Fantastic location for capturing memorable photos. Madami rin ditong offers like unique blend of nature, culture, and adventure. Pero para sa akin, yung Dinosaur Park talaga ang nag-stand out. And yung, syempre, nagustuhan ko rin yung cultural show dito and yung elephant show. Diba? Marami talaga ditong offer guys. So, enjoy the view. Kapag pumunta kayo dito guys, makakanta nyo na yung nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kitang tapat. Kasi naman talaga guys, one of the best, biggest garden in the world. Pwede ka mag-rent dito ng bungalow, take a tour to see uncountable collection of plants, noted as one of the best garden. Most attractive man-made garden. Every turn and curve inside this wonderland, starstruck ka talaga. Unbelievable display of beautiful theme park of fruits, vegetable, ornamented plants, statues of God. Ano pa ba? Marami pa akong nagustuhan dito katulad ng mga birds and butterfly, cactus garden, sanctuary of elephant, and syempre ang nagustuhan ko rin dito is yung mga monkey na nahanap ko ang aking angkan. At syempre ang isa talaga sa pinaka-paborito ko dito ay yung kanilang exclusive Indian restaurant serving decent buffet meal. Meron sila ditong, alam nyo, huwag nyong palalampasin dito pag kumain kayo, is yung sinampalukang manok. Dahil ang ginamit talaga nila dito sa sinampalukan na yun is tunay na sampalok. As in, super mamamiya ka talaga sa sarap ng kanilang At saka usually ang mga pagkain dito, mabilis siyang ma-digest. Kaya kapag kumain ka dito ng sobrang dami, mamaya maghahanap ka ng, hanapin mo na si Mr. Lou kung nasaan siya. At masarap dito ang kanilang lettuce. Masyadong fresh. Kapag kinagat mo talaga, malutong. Malutong talaga. And yung kanilang mango and watermelon. And syempre, talagang pagpupunta kayo dito sa Thailand, this Nongnoch Garden in Pattaya, ito talaga yung must visit na dapat nyong puntahan para talagang makumpleto ang inyong tour dito sa Thailand, guys. Sa pagsapit ng dilim, ako'y naghihintay pa rin sa iyong maagang pagdating. Pagkat ako'y nababalisa kung di ka kapiling. Na 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 na. Pamparam, pamparam, pamparam. Alam niyo ba, paborito ko yung kanta na yan. Nalimutan ko lang kung ano ang title. Paborito ko yan, kanta ng Asin. Oh my God, nagkakabistuhan ng mga edad guys. By the way guys, ang last destination namin na pinuntahan is And yung last na ikot namin is itong The Sanctuary of Truth, kung saan para ulit akong nag-retreat nung pumunta ako dito. Kasi kung ano yung ini-explain dun sa Way of Life, ito rin yung ini-explain dito sa Sanctuary of Truth. So, enjoy the scenery, guys.